इसोपरांत तुमकां येवकार. आपत्कालीन काळान कशा तरेची तयारी आसची हाचेर भासाभास करूंक महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन आपत्ती वेवस्थापनाचेर संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यां वांगडा बसका घेतली. कसलेय संकट आयल्यार ताका तोंड दिवपाची तयारी आसप म्हत्वाचें म्हूण मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला. आयटेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Basically, disaster management in terms of taking care, Goa becomes a very important place where preventive disasters need to be taking place. Last 1 year, we have realized that certain things which came up, which were not classified as state disasters, but there were issues faced by the public. It might be a cyclone like Oki, or there might be some issues with the ferry port, or there might be something like wildfires which are taking place. Basically, it cannot only relate to flooding, but rest of the issues also needed to be taken. The whole disaster management vertical and the ecosystem needs to be put in place. And last 4 months, आज आम्ही काम जे करता. Today the review was with all relevant departments and the roles played. Each one has a role to play. Having a command and control room set up, having your equipments in place. Equipments may be at village level. Having the civil people taken. The vertical of cadet corps being done. तरेचे जे रिक्वायरमेंट्स have been discussed and I think in the next couple of days implementation कित्याक एक emergency operating समज जाय system जाय ह्यो सगळ्यो preventive आसा. ताच्या खातीर since there were no actionable points earlier, we have developed into actionable points and we are trying to ensure that they are implemented at the earliest. CM also had given a commitment that by March आम्ही हे सगळे implementation start करतले म्हणून. ताच्या खातीर in the last 3 months we have started. So in the next 1-2 months we will have everything rolling out. So whether it's QRT, quick response teams, quick response vehicles, role of fire service, role of police, role of collector north, role of collector south, role of authorities like the water resources department. All this have been reviewed and I think responsibilities are fixed today.
Is it before the monsoon preparedness or what it is? It's overall.
It cannot be only monsoon preparedness. It's roles and responsibilities of everybody in coordination. That once our EOC comes out, that EOC will have a one number. It is not that when emergency comes, you keep calling up 5 different people. Issue like Zuari, what happened? Nafta. That normally the truck, kitloy podlo and roll zalo. When you go through all this type of certification processes, the valve cannot break, ammonia cannot leak. But these are post-operative. After we have returned to the explosives, control of explosives and all, waiting for their report. We have spoken to Zuari, but it is also the responsibility of everybody. Mines and samaj zale, operating mines, such as mines and lokani responsibility घेवची पडटली. They are getting into the mines. Every department which is having explosives or which are related to hazardous units, as a CSR or as a responsibility, they themselves should have things ready with them. It cannot be everything the government is to do. Taja Khatir, the plan with the stakeholders, with the rest of the people have been taken in, and we expect that these reviews in the next 2 weeks will be very continuous from Secretary Revenue side. We have been asking them to move it on a war footing. So, equipment wise, infrastructure wise, vehicle wise, the whole thing is being moved in, and we are expecting this month we should be able to complete the exercise.
And